What's up everyone, this is Kevin Scanlon Jr., your financial tutor, and in this video it's a little bit different than the type of videos I do on my channel, such as real estate, investing in stocks, or personal finance. In this video it's going to be a tutorial on how to turn those gift cards that you get from your birthdays, weddings, or even doing those surveys and turning that into straight cash that goes right into your checking account. This process literally takes a few minutes, and it's the easiest and fastest and also cheapest way to do this on the internet. So there's some websites out there that claim to give you a great cash back for your gift cards, especially when it comes to Visa gift cards, but these take anywhere from 5 to 15%. In my eyes, that is a ridiculous amount. So with this simple tutorial, this is only going to cost you 30 cents plus 2.9% of whatever money you're trying to transfer from your gift card into your checking account. I know I'm going to get some comments down below. Why would you even want to transfer the funds from your debit card into your checking account when it's basically just like a debit card or a credit card here? And for me personally, whenever I get these Visa gift cards, I always transfer them to my checking account, is because I feel like whenever I have these, it's kind of like a burning hole in my pocket. Also for this one, there's only $75 on it, so I'd have to carry it around and make multiple purchases, and then I always remind myself. In the meantime too, I might lose it, so whatever money on here, I would just be out that money. So there's a few reasons why, and this is more practical, I just move that money into my checking account. It's a lot simpler, and with this tutorial, it takes really little time and very little fees in order to do so, so I always do. So anyways, let's get started with this tutorial and head over to the laptop. So first, we're gonna need two different PayPal accounts. The one PayPal account is gonna be the normal PayPal account you use, say if you buy stuff online, if you use eBay, or if you're just buying and selling. You're gonna need a second account. If you don't already have a second account, just sign up. It literally takes about a minute to sign up. So you just put your first, last name in, email, and then just like that, you're all set to go. Then what we want to do is log in into the new account that you just created. Okay, now that we're logged into the second PayPal account, we want to update the PayPal so that it's actually using this gift card as the actual payment. So you want to go up to our wallet. So we're going to click link a debit card or credit card. Add a debit card or credit card. Okay, now we're going to use all the personal information from the actual debit card, this Visa gift card, the actual number, expiration date, and all that. We're going to plug it into PayPal, so then it's going to be using this gift card as the actual payment form. Okay, we just added this Visa gift card information and added it and updated it to the PayPal account. After plugging in the personal information and numbers from the Visa gift card, you should get a screen like this, just saying that it's been linked to your PayPal account, ending in 7732. So this is the actual Visa gift card right here. So right here you see the different payment methods. Right here was the old Visa gift card. This is the new one that we just updated. Then we're going to go back to the home page. And then from here, we're going to want to click send or request money. So now there's $75 on this gift card, and we're going to be sending these funds to my other PayPal account. Then from there, you're going to actually cash it out. So this is my actual PayPal account that I use on eBay. It is going to charge me a slight fee. So first, I like to just put in the actual amount. Sending to a friend should be a little bit less with commissions that PayPal takes out when you're sending it to a friend versus the services. So next up is how do you want to pay for it? It's going to cost $2.48 to send myself the 75 bucks. So what I do here, it's a little bit more than my $75 that I have actually on the gift card. So I'm just going to update it up above. It's about $2.45. So it's just a little game of guess and check to get it correct. Then usually you just go back and forth to make sure, you want to make sure that you use the full amount. So I have 10 cents remaining on the card. All right, so we're able to get it exactly. And I've always had situations, no matter how much the money is, if you keep updating it, you'll get the exact amount. So I'm going to be sending myself $72.59, but I'll be losing out $2.41. But like I said, it's a lot better to just send yourself this money and lose out on the $2.41 versus, you forgetting about this Visa gift card, losing it. Or if you do sell this on a website, you'll be lucky to get even anywhere near close to the $72.59. All right, from here, just make sure it's the right information. Make sure it's coming from this actual gift card. And we're just going to click send payment now. All right, then that's it. From here, what we're going to do is, because I received it on my other PayPal account, we're actually going to log into my main PayPal account. And you can see right here that I actually got a notification on my phone just saying that we received the $72.59. All right, now we're just going to log into my main PayPal account. All right, and we see the money's right here, $72.59. All right, the next step from there is just transfer now. We're gonna be taking these funds from the PayPal and depositing it into our checking account. If you do want the money instantly, if you need it fast right away, you can have that option, but it is gonna take 1% or whatever you're trying to move over. So for me, that would be an additional about 72, 73 cents. I don't mind waiting an extra day or two for it to transfer into my checking account. It's really fast with PayPal. So I'd rather avoid the 1% extra fee and just transfer using the standard fee. So it's typically 1 day, and I do actually see it transfer that fast into my checking account. Just click next, put in the full amount. So we have the $72.59 that we are transferring from the debit card into my checking account. And then just reviewing and click transfer. And then that's it. I should see this. It is a Sunday. I should see this in my account come Monday, tomorrow, or Tuesday at the very latest. And it takes very fast, and there's very little in fees in order to get the money off this debit card into my actual checking account. Well, that's it for the tutorial on how to turn your Visa gift card into cash straight into your checking account. Like I said, it's a super easy and simple process, but if you guys happen to get lost anywhere throughout the way, drop a comment down below and I'll make sure to respond. Also, if you guys are interested, I have a lot more personal finance videos, real estate, dividend investing, credit cards on my channel, so make sure to check those out. Especially if you're interested in making more money or saving more money, you definitely want to make sure to subscribe. Well, that's it. Until next time, this is Kevin Scanlon Jr., your financial tutor, signing off. Peace.